this video, I'm going to show you how you can create 2 and 3 column layouts in Gravity Form. For this, we need two plugins. One is Styles and Layout for Gravity Form and other one is Grid Layout for Gravity Forms. Once you have both these plugins installed and activated, you need to open the form in the backend. Here you will see Styles and Layout option. Click on it and it will open your form in the right side and all the design options for this form on the left sidebar. Now go to Grid Layout. Here you will see all the form fields along with an option to arrange them in 2 or 3 columns. So in this tutorial we will be arranging name and email in a 2-column layout and phone, time and date in a 3-column layout. For that we will select left 2-column layout for name field and right 2-column layout for email field. To arrange phone, time and date in 3-column layout, we will select left 3-column layout for phone, middle 3-column layout for time and right 3-column layout for date. As you can see, all these changes are live previewed, so you can see how your form is looking without refreshing the page. Now click on the publish button and all these changes will be saved permanently for your form, and whenever you will embed this form in any page, post or widget, then it will automatically show the form in the layout you have just made.